Welcome to our channel, where we dive into the world of tech and privacy. Today, I'm going to guide you step by step on how to create a V2Ray server and use it with Dark Tunnel VPN. V2Ray is a powerful proxy tool designed to help you bypass censorship and enhance your online privacy. Whether you're looking to secure your internet connection or access restricted content, this tutorial is for you. Let's get started. First, open any browser and search for the LionSH website. From the search results, tap on the official website link to access it. Once you're on the homepage, locate the menu button at the top right corner. Click on it and a list of options will appear. From this list, select the V2Ray menu to proceed. Next, you'll be directed to a page displaying various server locations. Choose your preferred location by clicking the Select button. After selecting the location, you'll need to pick a specific server within that location. Click the Next button to continue. On the following page, enter a username, check the reCAPTCHA box, and click Create Now. Within seconds, your server will be created and you'll see the server details displayed. You can either manually copy these details or use the Copy button to save the V2Ray server configuration. Now let's move to the Dark Tunnel VPN app. Open the Play Store and search for Dark Tunnel VPN. From the results, tap on the app and download it. Once installed, launch the app to access its home screen. To configure the V2Ray server, click on the three dots in the top right corner to open the menu. Select Config, then click Import, and choose Clipboard to easily import the server details you copied earlier. After importing, you can customize the server settings, such as entering a valid SNI and adjusting other V2Ray configurations. Once everything is set, click the Connect button to establish a secure VPN connection. That's it. You're now ready to browse securely and privately using your V2Ray server. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech guides. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll explore even more ways to enhance your online experience. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.